So a lot of students have this question in mind as like, I didn't get a good score in GE means, what should I do? Should I go for BITSAT or should I prepare for advanced? The obvious answer that I'd give is BITSAT.
If you have prepared really hard for your JEE advance, go for it, don't suppress it. But if you have doubt that whether you would be able to prepare well or do well in your JEE advance, then I would like to suggest that BitSat is a far better option. Try to ace it, try to capitalize it.
If you do not have a good JEE main score, then you should focus more on BitSat because the level of difficulty of questions asked in BitSat is a little less, but they are much more based on formulas, and you should have a great accuracy to get a maximum score in BitSat.
BitSat requires a good grip on the overall syllabus. So if you feel you are good in memorizing and recalling the concepts, so it shouldn't take a lot of time for preparing.
There are three tips to maintain accuracy and speed together. One is practice mock papers, second is practice mock papers, and third is practice mock papers.
You can master the art of maintaining accuracy with speed by solving as many mock tests as you can. Increase your accuracy and also reduce the speed of solving a question. Like solving question as fast as possible with great accuracy. And for that you need to solve as many as mock tests as you can.
Basically, to manage my accuracy with speed, I just left the questions which I thought were tough at the first glance itself, and I attempted only the easy questions. So within 90 minutes, I could finish the whole paper once. And then I didn't have much pressure on myself to attempt the tough questions and the bonus questions after that.
Yes, definitely you should worry about negative marking in BitSat because
Scheme of BitSat examination is +3 -1. So it is more hazardous than compared to JEE Mains, which has +4 -1 marking. So if you want to guess in BitSat, don't guess blindly. Make intelligent guesses.
Even with 1-2 marks, the entire a group can change at the time of counting. So even 1 and 2 marks are also important. Don't take risks and get a lot of negative marks.
So you should focus on negative marking. It can really make or break the game.
So if you ask me that, do we need to focus on the 12 bonus questions, I'd say that it depends on you.
I'm sure you would have written a lot of mock tests before the actual exam. You need to analyze these mock tests, and if you're attempting all questions except maximum of 20 questions
and have sufficient time left for the end of the exam, then you should try and do intelligent guessing for the remaining ones and go for the extra 12 questions.
So yeah, this question has two answers. First answer is for those who are preparing for JEE, and second answer is for those who are not preparing for JEE. If you are not preparing for JEE,
Advise you to solve the book completely and thoroughly. However, if you feel confident in any of the topics, like you have complete belief in you that you can solve any type of question that comes from the topic, then you can skip it. And if you are underconfident in that subject, then at least you can solve the book in order to gain some confidence and know something about that.
as it will help you acquire good speed with a good accuracy. And a word of caution: do not look at the solutions until and unless you have applied maximum efforts to that particular question. If you are preparing for JEE, then it is not necessary to solve complete book of BitSat because you all have solved maximum problems given by your coaching institutes.
Yes, it is highly important to solve mock tests for BitSat.
Solving mock tests before the actual exam date of the BITSAT is really important. Okay,
Coaching classes usually focus on JEE and give you those type of questions.
JEE papers are of 75 questions mains. I'm talking about mains, and BITSAT is 150. So in solving mock tests is really important so that he can keep up his speed, keep up his accuracy. And
Without mock test, you cannot hope of cracking that examination or acing that examination with complete efficiency.
What makes BitSat unique and different is its marking scheme and paper pattern. So to get acquainted with this pattern, you need to solve as many mock tests as possible. And I've seen that solving more and more mock tests can really increase your score. So during my preparation days, I came across a video posted by Anup sir. So in that, he said that motivation is not something that we will gain by watching videos or asking questions like this. So motivation, you can get it by success.
Two things that kept me motivated throughout my journey. One of them was that I wanted to make my parents feel proud of me. And another thing was that I wanted to see myself studying in one of the top institutions of our country. So these were the two things that kept me motivated throughout my journey.
You should aim little tasks every day, and by the end of the day, you should try completing those. And if you complete those, then you will get a feel of success every day, and that success will keep you motivated to do another task tomorrow. So this micro success will act like the source for your motivation throughout your preparation journey.